Welcome to my channel, Kuda Entertainment TV, where we focus on computer science, ICT, and computer applications technology. We also cover subjects like mathematics, lower grades, grade 8 and 9. So today I want to discuss about packet switching. In our previous video, we discussed the structure of a data packet, in which we said we have got three main sections, which is the packet header, the payload, and the trailer. So we also said that when data is about to be transmitted, it has to be broken down into data packets. And we say a packet, it is a small unit of data. So when these packets are being at a stage where they are supposed to be transmitted, they are sent through across various routers, right? Remember, we've got two devices which are communicating in a network. So there will be various routers in between these two devices. So these data packets, let's say, for example, maybe we have got 5 packets that we need to transmit over our network. So these packets, they will take different routers. So the process in which these routers, in which these packets are distributed or are sent over various routers is what we refer to as packet switching. And we have got some terms that we have introduced here, like network, and we have got network. So network referring to computers or devices that are connected together through wires, which we refer to as cables, or through a wireless connection. And also we have introduced another keyword, which is router. So router, it is a network device that is responsible for receiving data packets, analyzing them, and then forwards these data packets to their intended destination. So it forwards these packets to their intended destinations using the IP address, right? That indicates where the packet is going. Remember, we said in the packet header, we have got the destination address, originator's address, as well as the packet number. So using the destination address, the router will forward this data packet to its intended destination. So that is packet switching, the process of sending these data packets across various routers that we can have in our network. So we want to demonstrate how. Right, so this is the diagram that I've created for you so that I'll be able to explain it better. Right, so this is a network diagram, right? It's labeled. This is a network diagram. So you've got two devices that are communicating. You've got device A and also the second device, which is receiving, device B. So this is the sending device. Device A is the sending, device B is the receiving device. And in between these two devices which are communicating, we have got various routers which I have named R1 up to R5, right? We've got router number 1, router 2, router 3, router 4, and router 5. And we have got 5 data packets that we want to send across this network. So let's say packet number 1, it takes the route router 1, router 2, router 3, right? Router 4, router 5, and then to the receiving device. So we are going to use green. We are going to use green for packet number 1. We are going to use green. So for router number 1, it goes, right? Router 1, router 2, and then from router 2, it goes to router 3. From router 3, it goes to router number 4. From router number 4, it goes to router number 5. And then from router number 5 to the receiving device. So this will be the last device, right? Right. So this is our first packet. And then our second packet, which is packet number 2, let's say it's going to take router 1, router 3, and then router 5. So second packet, I've highlighted it in this yellow, right? So the second packet goes to router 1, and then from router 1, it goes to router 3. Then from router 3, it goes to router 5. And then from router 5, it goes to the receiving device, right? Like this. So this is the second packet. Now let us implement the third packet. So the third packet is in red. So the third packet, let's say it takes the root, router 1, right, router 2, and the receiving device. So it goes from the sending device, router 1, then router 2, then it goes straight to the receiving device, right? This is the third packet. Now, the fourth packet is going to take this route. This is blue, right? So the fourth packet, let's say, is going to take route router 1, router 4, right? Router 3, router 2, and then, right? So this is our fourth packet. Our fourth packet goes to router 1, right? It goes to router 4. And then from router 4, it goes to router 3. From router 3, it goes to router 2. It goes to router 2. Then from router 2, it goes to the receiving device. Right? And then our last packet is just taking router 1, router 4, and then router 5. So router 1, router 4, and then it goes to router 5. Like this. Right. So this is how packet switching works, right? We have implemented packet switching. This is how packet switching works. So now that we have implemented the packet switching process, we need to determine, right? We need to determine how these packets are received at the receiving device. So by doing so, we simply count the number of hops, right? When we'll be doing this at an advanced stage, you'll be calculating distance, right? Shortest path and so forth. But in this case, let us just use the number of hops so that we determine how these packets are received, right? Which one will be received first and so forth. So remember, we said packet 1 has got how many? Packet 1, green. So packet 1 goes through, all right, the one with the shortest one, it's which goes straight from router 1, router 2, and router 5. It should be the green one, not the green one, right, the red one, which is packet 3. So packet 3 here would be received first. That's the first one, right? Followed by the green is taking all routes, right, which is packet 1. So packet 1 might be received last. All right, packet number 2 has got yellow. So it goes through router 1, router 5, router 3, router 5. It goes through, right? So let's say packet 2 is received first, second, right? And then packet 2, then what else? We have got packet 5. Packet 5 also goes through 3 hops. Router 1, router 4, and then router 5. So packet number 5. Now we are remaining with packet number 1. Packet number 1 would be the last one because it's going through almost all hops, because it goes to packet 1, router 1, sorry, router 2, router 3, router 4, router 5. It has got 5 hops, so it will be received last. So which one? Again, we've got packet 4. Packet 4 in blue goes to router 1, then router 4, right? Then router 3, router 2. So it is good 1, 2, 3, 4. So packet 4, packet 4, and then lastly, packet 1. Packet 1, like this. Packet 3 is in red. Let me change. Packet 3 is in red. That is packet 3. So let me just add the P's. And packet 2 is using this color. And then packet 5, we have pink. Is it pink? All right, packet 5. Then packet 4, blue. Packet 4. And then packet 1, green. Packet 1. All right, like this. So this is how packet switching works, right? We have received packet number 3 first. Why? Because it has went through the smallest, the minimum number of hops. So packet 3, just went straight from packet 1, packet 2, then packet 3 went straight to from the receiving device to router 1, router 2, and then the receiving device, right? Sending device, router 1, router 3, and then the receiving device. And packet number 2, it went through 1, 2, 3 hops. That is router 1, router 2, router 1, router 3, router 5, then the receiving device. Packet 5, it also went through 3 hops, which is router 1, router 4, and router 5. And packet number 4, it went through 4 hops, which is router 1, router 4, router 3, router 2, then the receiving device, right? That is packet number 4. And then packet number 1 was the last to be received. Why? Because it went through all the hops, right? It went through all the routers. That's why it was received last. So now, after these packets, they've been received like this, using these packet numbers, which is 3, 2, 5, 4, and 1, they will be reordered, right? They will be reordered so that we can create meaningful data. Mind you, when they were being sent here, when they were being sent this side, they had this format, which is router 1, which is packet number 1, packet number 2, packet number 3, packet number 4, packet number 5. But after being received here, they now have got a different format altogether, right? After being received, these data packets, they now have a different format altogether, which is packet 3, packet 2, packet 5, packet 4, and packet 1. So in this process, at this stage now, these packets would be reorganized or rearranged using these packet numbers so that we can have a meaningful data, so that the receiving device would be able to produce a meaningful data. So this is the process of packet switching. So as you can see, that was how packet switching works, right? I give you a diagram, right? I diagrammatically represented how packet switching works. So in summary, packet switching refers to the process of transmitting data packets across a network. So that is packet switching. And again, the reason why these data packets are reordered after being received by the receiving device is that they are likely to be received out of order. They are likely to be received out of order. Why? Because we've got many routers in between the communicating devices. So when these data packets are sent across these routers, they are likely, in fact, they will take different routes. Some routes, they will be shorter than other routes, right? Hence, when they are received, usually they will be received out of order. So they will be reordered using packet numbers, which is part of the data items we have in a packet header, right? We are relating this to the previous video where we discussed about the structure of a data packet. So this is how packet switching works. So whenever you come across a question which requires you to draw a diagram, you can be given a concept, a scenario whereby you are given that packet number 1 takes these routes, packet number 2 takes these routes, packet number 3 goes through these routes and so forth, these 3 routes and so forth. So the question will ask you to implement a network diagram, right? It will ask you to implement a network diagram. So you must use different colors for you to indicate the different parts which the data packets would take, right, as per the question. So this is how you go about the process of packet switching. So in the next video, we are going to look at the following question, which is, in the next video, we are going to look at methods of data transmission, right? In the next video, we are going to be dealing with methods of data transmission. So please subscribe to my channel, share the video, like and comment, right? Please help me achieve my goal. My goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube by the end of September. So please help me doing so by subscribing, sharing the link to as many groups, as many people